Do you want to know how you can enable or disable the tracking prevention in Bing AI or Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the tracking prevention option in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now go to your profile, which is on the top left hand corner of your screen. Click on Settings and click on Privacy. You can see the tracking prevention option. Go ahead and click on it, and you can see that the tracking prevention websites uses trackers to gather information about your browsing habits. This data helps websites deliver personalized content, including ads. Some trackers may collect and send your data to sites you haven't visited. So, if you want to enable or disable it, just go ahead and press this button over here. Make the button blue, which means you have turned on tracking prevention. So now to turn it off, go ahead and click on the button again and the tracking prevention will be turned off. So you can see the type of tracking prevention style. They are basic, balanced and strict. So you can also click on the unprotected websites and add the websites which you want to block or track. This was a video on how you can enable or disable the tracking prevention in Bing AI or Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.